Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the blue insect flying high in Heartopia. So in this call of whales event, there is a new insect catching event for special for this event. And in here, you can get a new quest like this, blue insect flying high. And to complete this quest is very easy. First, you just need to participate in the call of whales stray insect event. So to join this event, the stray insect event, you just need to meet Naniwa at the Whale Mountain like this. And then after that, just talk to him. And then just in here, you can join this stray insect event that hosted by Naniwa every 1 p.m. Or you can also initiate the event yourself by paying 2000 gold like this. In here, I want to start the event by myself. Just tap on this stray insect event, and then next just tap on start stray insect event, and then in here you need to pay with 2000 gold, and then just tap on confirm, and just like that you can invite your friends like this. Invite your friends at the same town or another town like this. And then after all your friends already arrive, you can just start the event and the quest will be complete. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.